guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this particular item is actually a replacement from the item that we purchased a few weeks ago for the Valentine's Day. So anyway, I have the package here. So this one is wrapped nicely. So let me show you what I got. So here it is. And yeah, this one, they just put this one in this dust bag like this. And so this is the item. It seems like the dust bag is too big for this item, but anyway, so here comes, so you guys can see. So this is the Roman Holiday Bracelet. So let me give you a closer look on this beautiful piece. So as you guys could see, hold on. As you guys could see, look at that. It's so pretty. So this one actually has those beautiful, beautiful monogram flowers. So you guys could see up close. I apologize, they're actually moving. It's not my hand was moving, but I think that's, yeah. So the chain is moving a lot. So this one right here, so this is actually, yeah, the monogram flowers. And then this one is the Louis Vuitton circle. And then this one is a key charm. As you guys could see up close, it is engraved with Louis Vuitton right there. So I think in all of these charms right here, let me look at the others at the back. Let me see. Oh, there you go. So I needed to lay it right here on, hold on. I'm having such, okay, so let me just lay this one right here so you guys will be able to see those charms. I apologize earlier for shaking. So yeah. Oh, that's so much better. So this is the flowers right there, and this is the key right there. Another flowers. This is the LV circle, and then another flowers as well. So there were like how many charms? 2, 4, there were 7 charms around it. Wow. And as you guys could see, this one is made up of like a paper clip chain. The links is so pretty, guys. Very, very nice. And also this one right here, yeah, you could just, the chain is adjustable. So you guys could see right there, you can adjust this one. And also right here at the clasp, I'm going to show you in a little bit. So the clasp actually shows right here, it is engraved. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up. It is engraved. All right there, perfect. It is engraved. The code is M80273. And also on the other side, it says IT right there. That says it's made in Italy. So the links are so pretty. It's gorgeous. It's very, very attractive though. Very attractive. So show you on the other side. And also right here, there's also this LV circle hanging at the end. So I don't know, guys, because I think this one is made up of brass with gold finishing. The problem I have with Louis Vuitton website is that they didn't have so much like anything about how long the bracelet is. Like this, the detailed description is not too detailed. It's not really precise when it comes to describing what this one is made up of. If this one is made up of brass, it's made up of any type of gold color hardware, all kinds of things. Like it seems like they're saving so much of their like description with the words. They're not very much put things in detail when it comes to describing what is this about. I mean, they said this one is a Roman Holiday Bracelet. It is monogram flowers, but yeah, that's already given. But what I mean, I needed to know more about the material. I needed to do, like I saw this at the store and I love this. But on the website, I'm not sure if I would purchase this through the website if I am not really sure what this one is made up of. But yeah, surely this one looks very nice. It is so pretty on the website, but then it is prettier in person. So this one currently retails for $520. This particular item did not really hit by the price increase. It is still $520. I checked the website today and it has been sold out. So all you could call the 1-800 number or reach out to your sales associate to be able to get hands on this. I mean, guys, this is so pretty. And the one that I have previously for Valentine's Day, I actually asked my husband if I could change it because I'm having such a hard time with the clasp. I'm having such a hard time putting it on my wrist, and I don't have the time all day, like just sitting, trying to put it together. It's just definitely something that really, like, it takes a lot of time though. And also the magnetic closure for that, I love it. I love the style, I love the design, two hearts together, but it's just the clasp really bothers me. So I end up returning it and replace it with this beautiful holiday Roman bracelet. It is so beautiful. It is so lovely. But I'm not sure the one that I got right now is brand new because, as you guys could see, there is already I could see some scratches around it, especially with this one. So I'm not sure if you guys would be able to see that. Yeah, it's not very like smooth, shiny. I think this one is finished with gold hardware, but I'm not sure if they did such a good job on that aspect. So as you guys could see up close right there, it's not very maybe just because it is my fingerprints. But let me try to buff that and see. But I know for the first time I saw it, I checked the hardware and pretty much like not okay. So I try to clean. So let me see. So yeah, I could still see those scratches around it. This is just new, but I'm not sure if my camera is picking up. But yeah, I am not certain if what she gave me is brand new, because some of the items that I have purchased in the past, it came in with the tag and the code, and there was still some wrapping in here. But no, this one didn't have. But that's okay. That's all right. Yeah, this one, guys, is so beautiful. So, yeah. Very, very nice. So yeah, I don't know with Louis Vuitton. I'm not really sure about their packaging, guys. I I know this is not like $1,000 jewelry, but look at their packaging. It's like with a dust with this oversized dust bag. With this, I'm not sure if they have. I mean, I don't know. They could have done better packaging with their jewelry. I mean, for all the jewelry that I have, I mean, this is by far the worst packaging ever so far, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean, they just put it in a dust bag. I mean, I don't know. The presentation, the packaging is like, well, I don't think so. Well, yeah, I mean, it's the high-end brand, the luxury brand. They could have improved their packaging after all the price increases. I mean, they could have done better with the packaging. I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure if this is the perfect packaging for this beautiful tiny jewelry, guys. This one looks very pretty, and with the dust bag, I said, well, I'm not really sure about that. They could have come up with some sort of a little tiny box and wrap around it with a little bit of pillow, and I think, it makes it feel it more luxurious, So anyway, let me try to put this on my wrist right now while I am in the camera. So I've tried this at the store. I've tried it several times. And this one I found it so easy to put this by myself. And let me try to put this one right here. I'm going to put this into a test. And I'm going to try to hook this bracelet just by myself. I'm not sure if you guys would be able to see. Oh, hold on. Okay, I was able to put it on by myself. That is a good thing. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I didn't really. Hold on. So let me try it again. So, okay, I was like so excited and I didn't. Okay. So I managed to put it right here. So there were like 1, 2, 3 more links on the side. So let me just arrange this. So I want this to be a little bit loose because I wanted the charms right here to hang just like that. So I put it on. Now there were like few links left, like at least 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, hold on, 1, 3. So yeah, so you don't want to have this one snug, so you want to give a little bit of space. So if I would take the third, like, yeah, like really tight like this, I'm not sure if there's any point of doing that. So if I wanted to have a little bit of space though, so like here I could put my index finger in here, and let me see. So yeah, my index finger here could actually fit just like that. So that's a good thing. So this is how the bracelet looks. And it just hangs perfectly. I could have just adjust this. I mean, let me try to put this on the tightest setting. So let me see if I could do that here on the camera since I am already here. So let's try to see. I am not gonna edit this part. So I just wanted to see how if I could really do it myself without struggling. But so far, so I'm a little bit pressured doing this in the camera. And yeah, I didn't have a problem though with, so I could, hold on. Yeah, I think this one is perfect. Let me just try it just for the sake of, yeah, it is a little bit, yeah, this one, I think this one is already perfect. And if I would go one more of this links right here, it might be really tight. So yeah, so you're not going to be able to give them space to like move. But since this one is, they're meant to hang and jiggle and move, so I would suggest to give them a little bit of space. Okay, so just like that, I think they are perfect. They're beautiful. Yeah, I was trying to move this one up here, but it gets a little bit tighter. But so far, so I'm gonna give you a closer look on this beautiful charm. It is so dainty, it is so pretty, so beautiful, just like that. I like that they're like moving around like this. I like it just like that. So yeah, this is the Roman Holiday Bracelet. The code is M80273. This is currently retails for $520 US. I think this one was the original price few weeks ago prior. I mean, this was not hit by the price increase, which is a good thing. And the one that I returned, the Say Yes bracelet, that one, the price for that has already been increased. So yeah, I mean, of course, I'll prefer this one, the gold color hardware, over the leather and yeah, and a canvas. So yeah, this is so pretty. It is so beautiful, guys. This paper clip links here, it's absolutely amazing. Looks very trendy. Yeah, that's very, very nice. So I would definitely gonna recommend this if you love this monogram flowers and the Louis Vuitton. I think it's beautiful. It's very, very shiny though. So yeah, very nice. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.